Cristiano Ronaldo, the $93 million man. According to Forbes magazine, Real Madrid football star Cristiano Ronaldo earned $93 million in 2017. This makes Mr. Ronaldo the second highest paid athlete on earth, behind only Floyd Money Mayweather. Mr. Ronaldo earns $254,794.52 each and every day. This amounts to $1.8 million per week. Let's take a look at how Cristiano Ronaldo spends his extreme wealth. During his 2016 contract negotiations with the Spanish football club Real Madrid, Mr. Ronaldo was awarded a unique 8-kilometer in diameter circular property a mere stone's throw from Santiago Bernabeu Stadium. Let's take a look at the story behind Cristiano Ronaldo's insane Madrid compound. Prior to his 2016 contract negotiations, Mr. Ronaldo contacted American conceptualist Elliott Earls to help devise a plan to spend his extreme wealth.
Hello?
Oi, Elliott. Tudo bem, Cristiano?
So you understand? You understand Portuguese?
Of course. Now me tocas Cristiano.
Eu preciso de bilhete de recesso.
Tem pratos vegetais?
What? A televisão não está a funcionar. Onde fica que eu te falo alemão? Almost. Preciso de médico que falo alemão.
Tem caldeirada. Vai embora, Cristiano. No. Now, after thinking about his situation for weeks and after ruminating over this, the idea came to me in a flash. Cristiano recognized the brilliance of it immediately and gave the go-ahead. Yeah, look, what we did was we divided that circular property into 18 pie-shaped parcels. Each parcel was a site for a mansion, a unique mansion befitting a Roman emperor as per Cristiano's request. The simple fact is that money makes things happen. So I coordinated with 3 of Spain's top construction companies. I had them stagger construction across the pie-shaped parcels to absolutely ensure that each of the mansions was finished construction, interior design, and furnishing precisely, and I'm talking about exactly precisely 7 days to the day after the previous mansion was completed. All right, get this. This is the absolute best part of the whole thing. Get this. On Sunday of each week, Cristiano and his beautiful family move into the adjacent, the newly built mansion, fully furnished. Look, Cristiano makes $1.8 million a week. I'm talking about these mansions are fully finished, kitted out with Off-White, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, the whole 9 yards. Each one of these things is interior design out the yin-yang. No, all right, it gets better. It gets better. Stay with me. So on Sunday night, after the beautiful Ronaldo family has moved into the new mansion, we demolish. Now hear me out. We incinerate the previous mansion that they just left. Each week on Sunday night, the previous mansion is incinerated. An absolutely glorious explosion, a burst of flames. And this cycle repeats itself over and over in an 18-week cycle, perpetually. It's brilliant. And each week, all the children from the surrounding communities gather at the gates of Cristiano's glorious compound to revel in the Sunday night spectacle, the absolute power of capitalism and Cristiano's magnificence that's on display.